Internal communication is the exchange of information within an organization. It involves verbal, nonverbal, written, and electronic methods. The goal is to coordinate and make decisions effectively. Employees and stakeholders at all levels engage in this process. It builds a cohesive understanding across the organization. The main purpose is to disseminate crucial information. It promotes understanding of company goals and values. Feedback is encouraged to enhance decision-making. This leads to better employee engagement and satisfaction. A strong culture is built through consistent communication. Various methods are used, like meetings and emails. Intranet platforms and instant messaging are common too. Each method suits different needs and contexts. The choice depends on urgency and audience. Effective communication often involves a mix of these methods. These meetings build trust and rapport. They allow immediate feedback and clarity. However, they can be time-consuming, not ideal for remote teams or large groups. Documentation may also be lacking. Emails are efficient and fast for communication. They provide a record of exchanges. However, tone can be misinterpreted. There's a risk of information overload. Emails can also feel impersonal. Instant messaging allows real-time communication. It encourages informal discussions and collaboration. However, it can be distracting. Not all messages suit this format. Integration with other tools is a plus. Intranets serve as centralized information hubs. They need regular updates to stay relevant. Navigation can be challenging. They don't always facilitate direct communication. They support various content formats. Newsletters share updates consistently. They can include text, images, and videos. Interaction is limited with this format. They are time-consuming to create. Urgent information may not suit newsletters. These allow remote, real-time communication. They can include visual aids for clarity. Technology reliability is crucial. Less personal than face-to-face meetings. Technical issues can disrupt the flow. Bulletin boards share information in physical spaces. They can become cluttered over time, only accessible to those in the location. Not suitable for urgent information. They support informal communication. Identify internal stakeholders before projects begin. Group them by participation and influence. Tailor communication to each group. This fosters engagement and minimizes conflict. It's a strategic communication tool. List all internal stakeholders first. Assess their interests and influence. Understand their needs for effective roles. Map their relationships visually. This guides engagement strategies. Strategies are based on stakeholder analysis. Tailor approaches to interests and needs. Keep stakeholders informed and involved. Regular updates are essential. This maintains strong relationships, continuous improvement. Barriers include filtering and perception issues. Information overload is a common problem. Emotional disconnects can hinder messages. Lack of credibility affects communication. Workplace gossip can distort information. Training programs can address barriers. Fostering an open culture is crucial. Clear protocols improve communication. Using the right channels is important. These steps enhance organizational performance. Rigid hierarchies limit open dialogue. They restrict idea exchange across levels. This can delay decisions and innovation. Open dialogue is crucial for success. Hierarchies need flexibility for effective communication. A negative culture stifles communication. Trust and openness are essential. Miscommunication leads to lost insights. Positive culture encourages idea sharing. It builds a strong organizational identity. Excessive information can overwhelm employees. Prioritizing information is essential. Overload leads to confusion and errors. Clear communication reduces this risk. Effective filters are necessary. Office layouts can hinder communication. Remote work adds to this challenge. Emotions like stress affect clarity. A supportive environment mitigates these. Physical and emotional factors need addressing. Feedback ensures messages are understood. It confirms receipt and comprehension. Lack of feedback causes inefficiencies. Establishing mechanisms is crucial. Feedback loops enhance communication. Internal communication is key to business success. It requires understanding, tools, and strategies. Overcoming barriers fosters a productive environment.